Hello. I came to this course because I was really looking for some guidance, and I was in a time where I needed to explore my life purpose a little bit more and gain some clarity with where I am, really at a crossroads. And so I gained a great deal from this course. Luke and Susana had fantastic guidance and resources in really helping me to find more structure as well as to take time to dig deep and really push myself and challenge myself to find these answers. And so I really feel leaving this course now a lot more grounded and a lot more guided and clear in terms of my next steps and where I want to move forward. It's also a fantastic structure in terms of being around a wonderful community. There's a lot to gain from the different people in the course and just the way that the course is structured. And it's just a fantastic way to connect with yourself and to really explore things that oftentimes we don't get to do elsewhere in our life. So I really recommend this for anyone who is curious, is really at a place where they want to better understand themselves or maybe seek some clarity in terms of their life or finding more meaning and connection. And it's also a great space to do healing work for themselves in a bit of a more concrete and structured way. Um, yeah, so really I'd recommend this to anyone who feels that it resonates, and I absolutely would recommend.